guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Devin. If you are a subscriber on my channel, I'm so sorry. Life has just been so crazy with COVID happening and my computer stopped working and I was no longer able to edit, so I stopped making videos, but I'm gonna try to be a lot more consistent now. I'm sorry for those that were waiting for me to upload, but I'm back now, ready to show you some new hairstyles to give you guys a life update. My boyfriend and I moved in with each other about a couple months ago and we're doing really well. We're going to Europe in October, so if you guys subscribe you might be able to see some videos that we might capture while we're there. But now that I'm back, I went ahead and I did a updated wash and go routine. So this is my hair now that I'm done, nice and defined and a lot of volume. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, just keep watching. So as you can see, my hair is in desperate need of some shampooing and moisture. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to wet my hair, making sure that it's soaking wet. That way the products are able to saturate my hair and just moisturize it. Then the shampoo that I am using is called True by Made Beautiful. It's a moisturizing shampoo. So I'm just going to scrub that shampoo into my hair. No need to really put it at the ends of your hair. The reason why I prefer to use shampoos that are more moisturizing is because whenever you have curly hair, our hair is very prone to being very dry and it needs all the moisture that it can get. So if I am able to use a shampoo that will be more moisturizing versus drying out my hair, then that's what I'm going to go with. So I'm just going to rinse out my shampoo out of my hair. And now I'm going in with the same brand, True by Made Beautiful, and this product is the Intensive Treatment Mask. Now, I know it could be really difficult, but whenever you have curly hair, you need to try to deep condition or wear a mask in your hair at least once a week, because just using leave-in conditioner and some cream and oil and putting that on your hair once a week is not enough. You need to deep condition your hair, that way it's moisturized. So now I'm going to go in with my wet brush. I love this brush. It does an amazing job with detangling my hair. I can put a link of where I got it from. I got it on Amazon for maybe like 10 bucks. I'll also be putting all of the products that I used in the description box as well. So I'm finished washing my hair now, and I did my makeup because my boyfriend and I are thinking about going to get some sushi at the Domain. So this is my hair right now, all fresh and clean and conditioned and detangled. So right now I'm just going to show you guys how I just style my hair and diffuse it and just have it ready for the day. So now I'm going to start off with parting my hair. I like to part my hair before I begin to style because it's a lot easier to part my hair when it's wet versus whenever it's all styled and everything. I don't want to make it frizzy because my hair is very prone to getting frizzy. So I essentially just take a rat tail comb and I just part my hair as so. Oops. I just part it. It doesn't have to be perfect, even. As you can see, mine's not 100% perfect, but it will do. You want to make sure that you're always styling your hair on soaking, not soaking wet hair, but damp hair, because if you try to style it on frizzy hair where it's starting to dry up, your hair is not going to be as defined as you would like it. If you like that frizzy kind of big look, then definitely, you can style on hair that's not as damp, but I like it whenever my hair is nice and damp because I don't like frizz. I'm just gonna spray my hair down.
And a good rule of thumb, if your hair is frizzy while you're styling it, then it's going to be frizzy when it's dry. As you can see, you know, my hair is kind of frizzy right now, you know, all over the place. So I'm going to brush that out. Some more water to the ends. My ends are always the driest, so I always make sure to add more product to the ends because that's the oldest part of your hair. And as you can see, it's a lot more moisturized. I'm just going to comb out my hair, make sure it's nice and detangled. And how you know that your hair is nice and wet is you can kind of like hear the water. I don't know if you can hear that. That's how your hair should sound. Okay? You don't want it super dripping wet, like where your hair is just like dripping all over the floor, because like not only is that like a disaster and super messy, but you want it to be nice and wet too when you're styling it, so that way it's nice and defined. So I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner. I'm using Kinky Curly, not today. I had to learn this. It took me a long time to realize that less is more for my hair. I have very low porosity hair. My hair doesn't really need a lot of product because I have very fine hair. Now, if your hair is very thick and you have a lot more hair than me, I am jealous of you. But if you have a lot more hair than me or your hair is thicker, then you definitely want to use more of a cream-based products. I use more of a water-based product because that way my hair isn't getting weighed down by the products. I don't really use as much product in my hair anymore simply because, you know, I want to get that volume. I probably use about a quarter size amount for each section. Just kind of rake that through my hair. And another thing that I would do, the reason why I used so much product is because I wanted my hair to last longer, but then when I lived in New York City, my stylist told me not to do that. Like with my type of hair, I should be washing my hair at least twice a week because my hair is so fine and so prone to being tangled. I need to detangle it more often. She told me to not do that, to not use more product, use less product, and just wash my hair more often. That doesn't mean shampooing my hair. That just means basically co-washing it. So I'll probably shampoo my hair once a week. I don't really like to put too much product at the top of my head just because that's where the volume comes out. So I mainly just apply most of my product to the bottom of my hair because this is the ends of my hair because this is the oldest part. So I'm done with my leave-in conditioner. Now I'm gonna go in with my styling cream. Everyone knows this product. Every curly girl knows this product because it is amazing. It's our holy grail. Everyone knows the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I love this product. Like my hair gets so defined with it. Again, I don't want to use too much of it, so I'll probably use about this much per section, so not a lot, because again, we want to get that volume. Again, if you have more hair than me, then use more hair products. Yeah, about that much per section. And you can kind of feel your hair, what parts are a little bit more dry, and then apply products there. But a lot of times you don't need as much products. A lot of times we want to be heavy-handed and put a lot of product in our hair, and it just weighs our hair down. And a good rule of thumb is how you know if you put too much product is I basically take my hand and I just do this. See, that's excess product right there. I'll just take my hand and just takes off all the excess product in my hair. So now that we're done putting all of our creams and everything in our hair, I'm gonna apply a little bit of oil in it because my hair loves oil. I use argan oil. I got this oil whenever I dyed my hair the other week. Oops. I got this oil whenever I dyed my hair the other week, so I've just been using it, but my hair loves argan oil, so I use about that much. I just put that all through my hair. Now that I'm done putting my leave-in conditioner, my cream, and my oil in my hair, now it's time for gel. So what I like to use is, and these bottles are almost empty, but I use the Deva Ultra Defining Gel and my Deva Frizz Foam. So I'm gonna put the gel in first. Now I only use a little bit because, again, I don't want my hair to get weighed down. I probably use about that much. Oh shoot, oh no. So yeah, I probably use about that much, and I just apply it all through my hair. I try to avoid the top because again, we want to get that volume in our hair. So I only just do it towards the bottom, and then I might apply just a little bit more. I'm obsessed with gel. And I think that's the end of this. I think you can tell I love this product. So just apply that into my hair. And then I'm gonna take some foam, about that much, and then just apply that all throughout my hair. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells amazing. Now I'm gonna go in with my Denman brush. Now, this brush is not a detangling brush. I had to learn that the hard way. When I first went natural, I was using this to detangle my hair. This is not a detangling brush, this is a styling brush. What I do is I take little bitty sections of my hair and I just smooth it through. Just making sure that my curls are getting nice and smooth. And I always try to do it away from my scalp. Like as you can see, like I'm not brushing my hair this way, otherwise my, the volume won't be there. So I always try to brush my hair out away from my scalp. So yeah, nice defined curls. So yeah, that's it.
So now I'm going to go in with my diffuser, and how I kind of diffuse my hair is, as you can see, I'm not really scrunching my hair up towards my scalp. I'm kind of hovering the diffuser towards my hair. The reason why I do it this way is because if I start to scrunch the diffuser towards my scalp, it's just going to manipulate the curls and cause more frizz than what you want. So while your hair is really wet, you want to try to minimize as much frizz as possible, so you don't really want the diffuser to touch your hair too much. Now, as your hair gets drier, then you can kind of scrunch the diffuser towards your scalp, which you'll see later on in the video. I'll be doing that. But while your hair is still wet, try not to manipulate your curls too much with the diffuser.
Okay, great. So I'm done diffusing. Now I'm just gonna try to fluff out my hair. Now, of course, like my first day hair, it doesn't have as much volume, but by second day, it starts to have a little bit more volume. It's still a little bit damp, so I might actually go in a little bit more with my diffuser, and see how it looks.
So now that my hair is about 80 to 90% dry, now I'm going to scrunch the diffuser towards my scalp.
So that should be good. So just kind of fluff it out. I like to kind of go down and shake it. So now I'm gonna go in with my edge control. So I have this little bitty brush and I use Let's Jam Condition and Shine Extra Hold. I'm gonna go in and lay down those edges, those baby hairs. Down those baby hairs. So yeah, got the baby hairs laid down. Okay guys, so this is the finished results. My hair feels so soft. It does not feel weighed down. It feels like there's a lot of volume. I feel like this is really good volume, especially for day one. Typically my hair doesn't have as much volume as this on day one, but I'm very proud of myself. I feel like I did a pretty good job. Curls are nice and defined, and it's just a lot of volume. So I got volume and I got definition at the same time, so I can't complain. But it's getting kind of late now. It's like 9, almost 10 o'clock right now, so we need to hurry up and go get some sushi. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you are looking forward to from now on. Talk to you later. Bye.